Hi, hello, how are y'all doing today? It's your boy, Brain Coon, back with a new video. Brain Coon, eat my back with a new video. And today I want to do something, let me fix my camera first. And today I want to do something I did before with the iPhones, when the iPhone 13 came out. And I want to do it with a brand new phone. This time, it's not with Apple. This time, it's with Android. And that Android phone in particular, it's the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So when the iPhone came out, I gave it some time so people can buy it, use the brand new features on it, and make an opinion. I had it, I made my opinion about it, and I gave my opinion. Was it worth the money and the hype, or was it not? Now, with the Google Pixel 6 coming out, and the 6 Pro coming out also, they made a lot of hype. A lot of brand new features were announced, the brand new chip. People were going crazy. And I'm here today to give my opinion. Let me know your opinion in the comments below. And I want to give you my own opinion about the phone. Is it worth it? Is it worth the hype? And is the price reasonable for the brand new things that the phone and Google is offering? But before we get into that, I want to tell you to subscribe to my channel. I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here. If it's your second time here and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go ahead, hit it, do it. So, the Google Pixel 6, not the Pro, the 6, I'm talking about the 6, came out with a 6.4 inch screen, a OLED, a 2400 by 1080 display, OLED display, 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is pretty amazing for a Google phone, with a 4,614 milliamp per hour battery, which is pretty powerful, but I don't think it is enough to power their new silicone, the Google Tensor. With two sensors on the back, with two camera sensors on the back, a 50 megapixel and a 12 megapixel sensors in the back, and one in the front, which is 11.1 megapixels, I believe, which is a notchless. What is what is it? A poke in the fucking display, just the camera poking in the display. Personally, I'm not a fan of that, because it kind of messes the point of having a notchless phone. So when you want to watch videos, the notch is going to be there. You're not going to be able to watch the videos because that camera dot is going to be there, and to me that is a nuisance. That is going to get in my way. So that's my opinion. Let's get it out there. So 4K videos, 60 frames per second, which is amazing for a Google phone. In the past, we've seen Google phones do amazing with camera when it comes to camera quality, but when it comes to video quality, to photo quality, but when it comes to video quality, it was kind of meh. But with this brand new sensor, this brand new Tensor processor, silicone, they have 4K videos, 60 frames per second. 4K videos on the Google Pixel. They went from videos being like good, they're good videos for a smartphone, to 4K videos in your pocket. So basically, you can make videos, amazing quality videos from your phone and post them to YouTube and social media, which is kind of crazy. Oh yeah, and I forgot, with the 6, it's a 90 Hz refresh rate screen. So it's not that powerful, it's a flat 90 Hz, which is basically like the iPhone 13, not the 13 Pro, but the 13, it comes with 90 Hz, I believe, and the Pro Max comes with 120, which is the case for the Google Pixel Pro. So let's get into the Google Pixel Pro, and let's talk about them both. So the Google Pixel Pro is a slightly bigger phone with a 6.7 inch screen, again notchless with that dot, the camera dot on the screen. It comes with a 3120 x 1440 pixels, which is basically kind of amazing. That's great. Most phones do not have that. OLED display again with 120 Hz refresh rate. This one is pretty powerful. It comes with, again, 128 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is crazy fast for a Google Pixel again. With this one, the battery is slightly bigger also, which is 5,003 milliamps per hour. I don't know why they added that 3, but you know, 5,003 milliamps per hour is still impressive, still amazing, still good. The system used in both phones is Android 12, which is pretty amazing with all the features that it has, that the Android 12 has. It features, you can find them in the Google Pixel. So basically the same thing you can find in the Galaxy S21, you can find in this Google Pixel, which is pretty amazing. That's the thing with Androids. The thing you can find in high quality phones, not high quality, big brand phones like the Samsung, you can find you can also find in low branded, not low, Google is not low, Google is not low, Google is amazing. But in comparison with Samsung that have been making cell phones and smartphones for years, that's pretty amazing. That's pretty amazing. And it's a lot cheaper. This is where it gets tricky, because this one, the Google Pixel 6 Pro, comes with 3 cameras in the back, 1 on the front. A 50 megapixel one, a 48 megapixel one, and a 12 megapixel one. On the front, again, a 11.1 megapixel camera, which is pretty average, which is good. We cannot complain about that. It comes with a 4x optic zoom. I do not believe that the 6 has that. Again, 4K, 60 frames per second videos. The amazing feature that we saw, that you can erase things. Basically, this new core, this new 10 score from Google, bro, it's doing wonders. Have you seen the photos? Have you seen the thing, the option where you take a photo and you can erase everything that you don't want to be, that you don't want in that photo? You can erase everything that you don't want in that photo, and it will do it. And it will erase it, and the photo will actually look pretty decent, not like work like Photoshop does. That is amazing, to be able to delete actual things and figure out what was behind them and put it exactly in that spot and not make it look crooked or edited or anything like that. That's amazing. iPhone cannot do that. Apple cannot do that, even though they have an A15 Bionic chip. Listen to this. That is amazing. That tells you how amazing that processor is. Does it compete? I do not think it competes, because of course it is Apple. Apple's chip is going to be a lot more efficient than Google Pixels. But it is amazing to be able to do that in such a short span. It is amazing. Keep that in your head. When you look at the phone looks good. I do not fuck with the camera. I do not like the camera display, the camera bar on the back, because when you put it in your pocket, when you put the phone in your pocket, it is kind of going to bulge, and I do not like that. Yeah, I fuck with the camera quality, the videos, everything, bro. Listen, basically, I like the phone. This is my opinion about the phone. I like the phone. Google Pixel have been able to create something in here which is pretty amazing for a search engine company, for a company known for its search engine. So Google, if you're watching this, props to you. Send me one. Come on, send me a phone. Come on, bro. Send me a phone. And yeah, let me know what you think about the phone. Let me know. And the price, I believe it's $700. Yeah, do not forget about the price. The price is at $700 because in euros, I have my things in euros because Africa. The Google Pixel 6 Pro is at €999. So basically that's 900 and something dollars. So maybe $950. Let's go with that. You're getting an amazing phone, a lot cheaper, for a lot cheaper, a lot less money than you would pay for an iPhone. So basically that's been my opinion. Let me know in the comments your opinion. What do you think? Would you get an iPhone? Or if you had to choose between getting an iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro and the Google Pixel 6 Pro, which one would you choose and why would you choose it? Put it down in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel again. If you liked the video and enjoyed my opinion, enjoyed my commentary on the thing, I basically repeated myself plenty of times, but you're not gonna see that. But yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Like the video for me because it helps me. It helps me show up in your timeline. So do that, please. See you when I see you. It's been your boy, Brain Kun. See you when I see you. Peace.